go. Hey guys, it's Karina. Today we're playing some more Roblox. And before I start, make sure to subscribe on my button. So I guess I can play it. So I'm gonna play is Resort Tycoon. Kumaingay. So let's just play it. I'm gonna play it now. Kumaingay. So I'm gonna play it now, guys. Okay. Okay guys, we're starting. So guys, as you see, I do this like a long time, and I totally save it, so I'm not gonna do it anymore because I'm bored to do it. So let's just go to my golf cart. Now let's go. Oh wait a minute. I'm gonna wear it. So as you see, I will go to my ouch, I just bumped to my. So let's just continue. And I will go to the to here. Oh my god, I'm a bad driver, guys. I'm a bad driver. Guys, I'm a really bad driver. Okay, and I just like this like this. Guys, I guess I need to walk it. Okay, let's go try again. Guys, this is so hard. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm just gonna walk. So I think I'm gonna buy is by the road. Wait a minute. I think there's something that over here. What is this? The airplane gate 2. This. Oh my god, that's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna get these things. Ooh, buy a scanner. Oh, buy a scanner. Okay. Buy this. Oh, hello. So as you see, I'm gonna get this. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna get some money. But guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash the like button, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.